Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new, my name is Isaac. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Can you say hi to everyone? So today's videos, I'm going to invite a secret girl to our channel. What is your name?
Secret.
Okay.
Secret. Yes, secret.
Okay.
You know, when you're watching the K-pop drama, you will see the main character, the ladies, they will have the really nice wavy curly hairstyle, right? So today's videos, I'm going to share how to do that hairstyle at home. Sounds good, right?
Just do it!
Let's go! First, you need to turn on the curly iron.
NANI?
I suggest you can put a gown on, or you can just put a towel to protect their neck. Use your hands to comb a middle part in here.
Okay.
So for today's, I just show you how to do the easy wavy at home.
Okay.
010. Turn on the button. Let's do it. Be careful because the curly iron is so hot. The iron, right? Just rub the hair. This is quite loose, so I need to do it again. Be careful because this is too hot. Just wait for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you need to cool down. Yeah, cool down, cool down. You will see the curl is so tight.
Easy!
因為咧 secret ladies 咧佢非常之怕醜啊，所以佢係唔會擘蛋同大家見面嘅。咁啊，我哋會幫佢打一打格仔先。Secret ladies so shine, so shine. Right now we go to the side. Totally we have 4 sections around the hair. We need to finish the one side, then we go to the opposite side. Alright. So I'm going to decide the direction is going to backward. So right now you can see my direction of the curly iron. I just go to the backward. You can see this is backward.
Easy!
Backward. No. Hey, you see, go to backward. Just wait for 10 seconds. Hey guys, when you feel this is not curl enough, so you need to do one more time. Alright. So the temperature about the iron, it should be between 180 to 190. That will be great for the human hair. Alright, you can see so smooth, right? Totally we have 4 sections. Right now we're going to the last section. When you do the side, please be careful because I saw so many people, they were so easy to get some mistakes when they do the side.
Share and subscribe. See that? Share and subscribe.
You can see this part is not curl enough, so we need to do one more time.
Easy! Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash, you spread your...
Right now we just finished everything, but we are not finished yet.
Okay.
Why I say that? Right now you can see the curl is really tight.
Okay.
So in this moment you need a brush, also a comb. Just brush like this.
Okay.
You serious?
Easy. Dun dun.
Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Hey guys, right now you can see the car, right? It's really nice. I love it so much. Even you do it messy, it looks so pretty too. You can see the front is so nice. Do you like it? I love it. Hey, after these videos, you will learn about how to get this hairstyle. If you are the man watching these videos right now, it is a huge gift for you because you just learn how to do your lady's hair from this superpower. And if you are the girl, you just learn how to do your hairstyle at home. Just everything by yourself. It takes so short. Come on guys, just be a better me. Break through yourself. You can be better, trust me. And also if you want to learn how to get this hair color at home, just watch these videos later. I will show you how to get this hair color. If you love this video, so please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell, make sure that never miss my new videos. If you wanna go to check out my Instagram is here. Yeah. Alright, so see you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace.
Bye-bye.
Wow, you are so pretty. Do you have boyfriend?
No.
Alright. Nice. I mean, the curl is so nice. Nice curl.